Right, good morning guys. Another day of riding. I've got about 104 kilometers today. It's raining and it's probably going to be raining all day for the next 2 days. I'm taking a ferry to Tortuguero, and the last ferry leaves at 3 p.m. so I should be able to make it. I think there's another one at 1, so hopefully I can get there. Otherwise, well, I'm not too sure what I'll do. It's already 7:20. I wanted to leave at 7, so I've got to get on it. Hey guys, so I've been riding for like almost 50 kilometers. I'm nearly at the turnoff. Hey guys, so it's 10:30 and it's finally stopped raining. It was relentless all morning. It didn't let up once, but you know, I mean, it's tropical, so it's not like cold or anything like that. But check out my bags. The aperduras, they're just wet right through. Look at this. This was in this bag. This bag was obviously zipped up. Look at that. That was inside the bag. So yeah, if you're planning on touring somewhere where it rains, don't use the aperduras. The Ortlebs, on the other hand, I mean, obviously they're a heavier material, so that's the trade-off, but they're dry as a bone. So hey guys, so stopped for some lunch, early lunch. It's only 11. The rain's still stopped, which is awesome. I've got another like 40 kilometers to go, but I know some of that is off-road, so we'll have to see. The ferry's at 3, so I've still got 4 hours, so I should be okay. That was 3 cups of uncooked rice. This thing was full, so you can see I've eaten like 2/3 of it. Hey guys, so I just took the opportunity to grab my camera back out. It's started raining again, like a lot. It was, yeah, just really wet. So yeah, everything's wet again. Yeah, I mean, these Apodura bags pretty much all wet through. So I've moved my important stuff into my Ortlebs. Alright guys, so I made it to the ferries. I thought there wasn't one till 3 o'clock, but looks like I just caught the 1 o'clock one. It's 3,000, I think. And he told me that there's no ferries unless I book a private one to Limon, so that might mess up my plans a little bit. This was supposed to be a way to avoid going on the 32, the really sort of dangerous highway. But I guess we'll just have to see, because I'm sure I met some girls that did that. But maybe they did book a private one. I'd have to ask. So yeah, I gotta go hop on. I have to wear this mask and it is soaked from the bike ride. Great. guys, here I am, made it to the Caribbean coast here in Tortuguero. Just cleaned my bike off with the garden hose. It was covered in mud and that. This is the hostel I'm at. I'll show you my room. This is the room for $6,000 a night. So, I mean, whatever that is, I think it's 6,000 is, yeah, like $10. So it's not too bad. And then the beach is out there. We'll go have a look at it in a bit. So the owner here just came and told me he wanted to accommodate my bike, and him and another guy came in and they literally tore one bed apart, so I had somewhere to put it. I told him, I was like, I can just put it here, it's no problem, but they're like, no, we'll accommodate. So that was good. So it's the first time I've seen the Caribbean coast. There's a few pretty big days of riding to get here, but I'm glad I made it. The ferry was pretty cool coming in as well. I'm gonna stay here for probably, well, I've paid for 2 nights, but I don't know, I might stay for 4. And I've gotta go try and find a supermarket and get some food. My original plan, like the reason I came here was I thought I could get a ferry from here to Moyne, which is right near Limon, and that would have saved me from having to cycle along most of the 32. But the guy on the ferry told me that it's not possible, so maybe because of COVID I'll have to talk to someone else and find out. But yeah, that's today, so I'm going to spend a few days relaxing now. Thanks for watching.